Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we are in the community of Bridgeland in Cypress, Texas. And the model that we're going to view is built by Ravenna Homes. The model is a 3546. It is a 1.5 story, 4 bedroom, 3 bath home. It's a little under 3,700 square feet. And the starting price is going to be in the low 800,000. Now, the one thing you need to know about Bridgeland is that it is going to be zoned to 3 different school districts: Katy ISD, Cypher ISD, and also Waller ISD. This particular home is going to be built in the Waller ISD zone. So the schools that your children will be attending is going to be Robert Rhodes Elementary, Waller Junior High, and Waller High School. So you want to make sure if you have a Pacific school you want your children to be zoned to, you want to make sure you know which school it is before you sign that contract. If you don't know who I am, let me introduce myself. My name is Linda Blue. I'm your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. And if you have not done so already, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. We're going to go ahead and continue with this tour. And while you're viewing this video, let me know what you think about this home in the comment section below.